I'm Casey Leake and I'm the Insurer Fleet Manager here. We currently have 12 vehicles fitted out with the HighDrive service bodies and we currently service the Western Downs region.
So my name's Shane Bawley, I'm the Field Operations Manager for Insurer. Probably the first thing we look at is quality. We want a quality piece of equipment that's going to last. A lot of the driving is on dirt roads and rough roads out here, so we need to think about dust ingress, vibration. We also need to think about making sure the tools are stored correctly and aren't getting damaged while they're in transit. Jobs are very isolated, so we need to have all the equipment available to us.
Russell Carpenter, work here with Insurer, doing electrical work, instrumentation work around Chinchilla, out to Roma, Dalby. The whole thing is actually pretty awesome, to be fair. I like the workbenches, like the workspace where you've got that drawer comes down so you can put your paperwork and bits and pieces on it.
One of the reasons we went with HighDrive was just the ease of everything being at the one place, so it was more of a one-stop shop for us, which made it so much easier than having to go back and forth from a lot of other businesses. As a fleet manager that hasn't really dealt with the delivery of fleet of this size before, knowing that I was dealing with a company with decades of experience really gave me a peace of mind. So one thing we really appreciated getting the delivery of the vehicles from HighDrive was that they literally came ready to go to roll out into the field. The HighDrive delivery times for the vehicles were exceptional. There was always communication no matter what. We always knew that the vehicles were going to be on time, and if there was any delays, we were always made aware.
It's good to know that HighDrive will be able to assist with service bodies for trucks and trailers as well in the future.
Like they fit more gear in them. You've got the racks on top. You've got the space in the middle that you would normally have in your normal ute, but everything's dry, clean, no dust.
The quality of the build is reflected as soon as you open it up and have a look, and you've got that security of knowing that any of the parts that you need in the future are going to be easily accessible.
Definitely go with HighDrive. Their business overall is absolutely amazing and you won't regret it.
All in all, that's a really good little setup. We're all pretty happy to have them, to be honest with you, so yeah, it's good.